Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat we have available from Scout. This is a 2025 277 LXF. Starting off with the boat's exterior, we've got this one in the two-tone hull configuration. So we have the midnight blue hull side with the white bottom. This boat looks really sharp and clean, whether it's sitting here on a trailer like you see or on the water. White rub rail with a stainless steel insert. Same with the scrub rail. Those are both standard features with all the Scouts. We have the sea deck flooring in gray on the transom. This boat is powered by twin V6 3.4 liter Mercury 200s. Really good performance with this boat. Gets on plane very quickly. Cruises in the mid 30s and will approach speeds in the low 50s. So starting off here on the transom on Scout's 277 LXF, we do have a reboarding ladder on the starboard side with a stainless steel grab handle. Full walk-through transom, so you can easily get from one side of the boat to the other. So I have a designated access to the starboard side via this cockpit door, and there's also a port side dock door as well. So you can easily get on and off the boat regardless of how you're oriented to the dock. This boat does have a heavy-duty stainless steel ski pole that is removable. Really nice cockpit in this boat. You've got fish boxes on both sides, stern seat here, leaning post with the slide out cooler beneath, cutting board / storage box, rod holders and cup holders. These are stainless steel Edson cup holders as well. Freshwater sink, nice Corian countertop. And here we have that dock door on the port side, so swings in. No need for the stainless steel reinforcements on the exterior due to the strength of the Scout hull. We've got tackle storage or cutlery storage. Also a great place for tools on the port side. There's a trash receptacle on the starboard side. Fold out trash receptacle here. We've also got fold down tackle storage here as well. We've got undergunnel rod storage on the starboard side, which is also great for deck brushes and boat hooks. Here at the leaning post, we have armrests that fold down on both sides. We have bolsters that adjust on both sides as well, so you can sit very comfortably on this boat. Got great visibility, even if you're shorter, but it's also a very comfortable position to drive in the leaning post position. We have the sea deck flooring at the helm as well for some added comfort on your feet. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury 200s. Got a single touch screen from Garmin here. There is space to add another if you'd like. We've got cup holders. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Fusion stereo remote is here. We've got our Garmin VHF. We've got all of our switching for our lights and our pumps, both here at the dash and above the helm. JL audio sound system on board. Rocket launcher style rod holders on the back of the hardtop. The 277 comes standard with a battery charger. There's the plug right there, so you can keep this boat nice and charged. Great head area on this boat. Tons of headroom. Got a recessed floor with a nice synthetic floor to dress up the area nicely. This is also a great place for storage. Bow area on this boat is really inviting. You got a nice console seat here with a really tall backrest, so very comfortable. Two adults can easily sit here. And then forward we have a U-shaped seating area with plenty of space to stretch out. Got a stainless steel grab rail on both sides if you're in some rougher water at speed. And these backrests and all of these cushions easily remove. If you want to fish this area hard and you want to get the cushions out of the way, you can easily do so. We got storage beneath the seats, storage beneath the floor. We have our through the stem remote controlled anchor windlass set up here with buttons here at the foredeck in addition to what you have back at the helm. This boat also has an additional set of rod holder cup holder combos, so they can hold a rod, they can hold a cup, they can hold a flag, they can hold a bow sunshade kit. So this boat is ready for that. And then we also got another set of cup holders on both sides behind the headrest and a little recessed area that's drained for sunscreen bottles, things you don't want sliding all around the boat. And that's a walkthrough of our 2025 Scout 277 LXF. Again, my name is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.